21 Delta plus variant patients have been detected in Maharashtra, out of which 9 are from Ratnagiri. What kind of steps are being taken by the state government health department? To talk on this topic with us, we have Dr. Pradeep Aute, the state surveillance officer. Yes, sir, please tell me.
Maharashtra has reported 21 cases of Delta plus variant in last week. And as we all know, these cases are basically from Ratnagiri, Jalgaon, Thane, Palghar, Sindhudurg and Mumbai region. So we are taking necessary step to investigate and to correlate the epidemiological findings with the clinical findings so that we can appropriately assess the impact of COVID plus variant on the entire transmission dynamics of the COVID pandemic. The important thing is that, and as also said by Dr. Agrawal, who is the director of CSIR lab, that though these are the variant of concern, there is no need of panic for the common public, because for common public things do not change even though you are getting the new variant, because the do's and don'ts they require to follow are the same. Only thing is that sometimes the additional information that you gather through your epidemiological investigation ask you to change something in your policy regarding vaccination, regarding surveillance and all those things. So these issues or these kind of surveillance of the whole genomic sequence is basically important as far as the policy matter is concerned. So for that we are actually advise all the districts to take stringent containment measures in their areas, especially avoid crowding and basically force people to observe the code appropriate behavior. And along with that, necessary information of the case, then aggressive contact tracing, then if any contact is positive, referring those positive samples for WGS, and even to look for the breakthrough cases, that is the cases occurring even after vaccination, or even any cases of reinfection in that vicinity of that particular patient. So all this information is being gathered, and very soon we will give the report on that. So accordingly the districts are taking appropriate measures in their jurisdiction.
So as WHO has mentioned that variant of concern, why is it said so?
Delta is basically variant of concern, and now the majority of variants we are getting not only from Maharashtra but from India also, and even the 85 countries of the entire world are reporting Delta as the most prominent variant nowadays. Delta is basically having some characteristics that the transmission speed is more with the Delta. That is one thing. Second thing is an escape mutation. That means it escapes the immunity of the host. So naturally that is one concern. So these two characteristics make it as a variant of concern, and WHO has already said that any subtype of Delta will be a variant of concern. So naturally this Delta plus, it has an additional mutation at the spike protein which we call it as a K417N. So that mutation makes it a Delta plus. So naturally we are looking at this happening in a very meticulous way. We are trying to fine-tune our surveillance and take necessary actions at the district level and field level.
Any serious symptoms that were found in these 21 Delta plus patients?
We have received information of almost 19 cases so far, and barring one, actually all cases have shown asymptomatic or mild symptoms. So at least at present, because 21 is a very small number, at least at present this variant has not shown any serious symptoms among the positive cases.
And what about the RT-PCR tests that are being conducted? What kind of instructions are being given to the different districts?
Basically, we are asking people to go for the aggressive contact tracing and even the surveillance of ILI and SARI in the vicinity of the index case, and whichever sample coming positive, that samples are now referred for the whole genomic sequencing.
So what would be your message for the public wherein these patients were detected? What kind of precautions should they take? Any good news for them that the patients did not show any serious symptoms?
That is really good that at present whatever information we are gathering is not showing that Delta plus variant is causing any serious symptoms. But as I have said, this is very primary information and the sample size is very small. But at the same time, we should be aware that basically getting new variant is not the panic creating situation for the common public, because though the variant is different, for the common public the whatever do's and don'ts they need to follow are same. So we need to stick to COVID appropriate behavior. That is the message. Though any variant circulate in your area, but you need to follow the COVID appropriate behavior.
Fatalities?
Yeah, basically as I have said, Ratnagiri has reported one. Basically the case has another comorbidities. So we are yet to analyze the exact cause of death, but one death is reported.
But most important question, how did these patients get infected? Was there any travel history? Because these Delta plus variants were first detected somewhere in abroad.
Basically all this information is our teams are gathering from the field level. It is in the process. So definitely if we get some peculiar travel history, it will be shared and it will be shared in the final report of these cases.
You have heard from the health department state surveillance officer himself saying that all proactive steps are being taken. All of the information has been passed to those districts where such patients were first detected. But the good news is that all of the patients except one have been cured and they were asymptomatic. With cameraman Gopal Harne, this is Pankaj Khelkar in Pune for India Today.